हसीनाएं हैं हम, अगर ये दिल का तोहफा दे।
Everyone, welcome back to my channel Shwanika Life and Love. Welcome back again on my video, and this is Shweta Verma. I hope you all doing fine and safe at your home. And in today's video I'm going to create this beautiful teal green color eyeshadow makeup tutorial for you guys, so that you can also create this look and show me and share it on my Instagram. And if you want to see how I achieve this look, then please keep on watching this video, and I hope you all watch my previous videos and my makeup tutorial. As I hope you like this video and like this makeup tutorial, and if you like this then please hit the like button, and before starting this video go and quickly subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to hit the bell button, and also don't forget to follow me on Instagram. My Instagram ID is on my screen, and also follow me on TikTok. My TikTok ID is on my screen. guys, that's it for this video. I hope you like this makeup tutorial, this beautiful teal green eyeshadow makeup tutorial. And in this video I use some new products which I show you in this video. I use Wow products and some concealers, new concealers which I buy recently. And one for all, I use this makeup tutorial Makeup Revolution eyeshadow palette. It's a maxi reloaded palette. I purchased it recently, so I thought why don't I share it and make a makeup tutorial with you guys. And I use these beautiful blue and greenish colors and some pale colors also on my eyes.